Top of the good morning to you, everybody. How are you today? And welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, Makeup with Sherry. Alrighty, today we are going to do a full wear test with Dior Forever Skin Glow beautiful foundation. I've already done a first impressions and it's in the color 2W. Love it. Just want to do a wear test and see how it goes for a good 10-12 hours. I've got a fair bit of stuff to do around the house today, so we will give it a bit of a workout and see how it is, see how it runs. We'll also come back in with our Tarte shape tape. I'm loving this stuff so much, so much. So yeah, so put them two together. I'll just make it a foundation video today, and then I'll come back with a full face, and yeah, I'll check back in with you throughout the day. All right, if you want to see more, you know what to do. By the way, guys, check out the brow lamination. I'm absolutely stoked. It has worked so well. So basically they put in a solution that you can then arrange your hairs the way that you want to. So if I want to put them sideways, not that I want to, because I don't have a lot of volume. So the whole idea behind the concept is that you can now angle them whatever way you want, defying nature pretty much, and yeah, giving you the volume that you need. And for someone like me that doesn't have a lot of brow hair, it's fantastic. I absolutely love it. Stoked. Got it done locally at Golden Glow in Yeppoon. Phenomenal. Absolutely stoked. We'll definitely be going back. Yeah, all right, so let's get into the video. It's coming in with, so I've already moisturized, I've already got our Peter Thomas Roth on the under. I've been loving this. This has been really good. It gives me a fair bit of pounce back underneath the eye. It's such a weak skin underneath there. It's very fine, very delicate. So that Peter Thomas Roth gives it a little bit of pounce back, which is lovely. All right, so we're just going to come in with this Forever Skin Glow. I love this foundation. It's so nice. Coming in with my Thin Lizzy Beauty Blender Beauty Sponge. So I have not put on a primer today, so I thought I would try it both ways. I probably should have done primer one side and not the other, and seeing if there was any difference. It's a beautiful glowy look, which is my fave. Tarte Shape Tape in the colour light medium honey. Love this stuff. And again, coming back in with the Thin Lizzy. Love the size of the sponge. It's so beautiful, soft, and just the size, so good for getting into the corner area. Love it. Look at that. Just gives you that flawless finish. I love it. Alright guys, I'm going to go and finish off the face. That is the application for the Dior Forever New foundation and the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey. I'll go and put on a full face, so I'll see as you can see. Guys, so I have the bronze and contour on. I just thought I'd pop back in with our little Sephora bag and show you the blush side of it, because I haven't managed to get that bit done yet. So you can see all the colours down here. There's blush and contours. So I might just use this, grab my little e.l.f. highlighting brush. Of course, I'm going to go in for the pink. Oh, that's pretty. probably not so easy to, you know, get into it, but it is what it is. It's a pack everything you've got into one little bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. The concept behind it, I love it. Yesterday, when I went out to get my brow lamination done, I had everything in here. So I just popped this little bag inside this little bag with a couple of brushes, my Thin Lizzy highlighting kit, set to go. It's absolutely perfect. I just love it because it's got everything. You know, you can touch up throughout the day with your lip glosses, whatever. I think it's a fantastic concept. Quick, easy, keep it in your handbag and you have everything you need. And that's really cute. Happy with that. Hey guys, there you go, finished look for today. Doing a full wear test on the Forever Skin Glow Dior foundation and the Tarte Shape Tape, which I find absolutely awesome together so far. Come in with our Lunar Angel Lashes in the Starlight version. Amazing. Have a look at them. Have a gander. Absolutely incredible. And just so you understand how this works, so I purchased these lashes, but they have now given me a code if you guys want to go into their, which I'll leave their link down below, to Lunar Angel Lashes website and use the code Sherry15, you'll get a 15% off. Wearing the Wilder House watch, this little beauty. Have a look at it, it's fantastic. Beautiful watch, purchased that as well. If you follow us on our other site, which is Tough Enough for Cruising, we will be running a competition soon for a couple of watches, so stay tuned for more information on that one as we go along. Yeah, bit of Revlon lipstick on there in the pencil. Came back in with the Sephora little handbag and I used the blush side of it. Came back in with the black and did a smoky eye look, which is very outside the box for me. I don't normally do that sort of thing. So yeah, smoky eye it is today. Stoked, absolutely just stoked with my eyebrows, with my lamination done yesterday by Golden Glow in Yupun. Absolutely loving it. So, all right guys, I think that's about it. Okay, got a fair bit to do just around the house. So all dressed up with no place to go again. Hey guys, so just to check in around about the 6-hour mark with our Forever Skin Glow from Dior. It's still looking pretty stunning actually. Pretty impressive. And we have our Tarte Shape Tape concealer on as well. So yeah, very impressed. 6 hours in, I might leave it on for another 2-3 hours for bedtime, and yeah, I'll do another check-in before the end of the day. Hey peeps, all right, we're about the 10-hour mark now for the Dior foundation and Tarte Shape Tape. So yeah, pretty impressed. Pretty normal, a little bit oily down the T-zone, and it's slightly gone from my chin, but I have been pretty rough on it today as well, so yeah, not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Time for the big 90 nights. So thank you as always for tuning in. You're absolute legends. Please take care of you, and I'll catch you again soon. Mwah.